Dear Sherry, I love cannabis. Me too. But my girlfriend hates cannabis. Oh no. What should I do? Well, considering the state of my love life, asking me for love life advice might be akin to asking Jeffrey Dahmer for cooking advice. But nonetheless, you asked, so I'm going to answer. Before I get to that, though, I just want to remind everybody to hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. So what should you do about your girlfriend who hates weed? Well, the first question I would ask is, why does she hate weed? I mean, what is her problem with it, really? So you need to look at a couple things. One, your behavior. Are you using weed irresponsibly? In other words, does she have a point not liking your weed use? And if that's the case, then you might want to compensate a little bit there. Point number two, what is her knowledge about weed? Because most people, when they learn the truth about cannabis, actually their fears and their negativity fades away. So how up to date is she with the facts about cannabis? Not the reefer madness we were all raised on, but the actual facts. For that, I can help you in the form of my book, Mary Jane, the Complete Marijuana Handbook for Women. Shameless plug there, but for real, when this book came out, I was surprised at how many men were telling me they were buying copies for their mothers, for their wives, for their girlfriends, for their aunts, for their friends, for anybody they knew that was anti-weed, because it really approaches the subject for women in a very down-to-earth way. It gives them the facts without the fear. It's a fun book. It's easy to read. So that may be a way to help introduce her more to the facts about marijuana rather than her fear. Finally, if none of that works and she is just stubbornly dead set against weed, despite all the facts and despite all the knowledge, well, I know what I would do, but I can't tell you whether to dump her or not, but I know what I would do. But I would certainly try all those other things first, especially if I really liked her. Hope this helps.